Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to another episode of Off-Axis Builds. Got the trailer in the background there fully built. We're going to be doing the mods on this trailer, so stay tuned and I'll walk you through each mod. Got about 12 different mods we'll be doing.
Alright guys, so I'm going to relocate my license plate to the center here. Originally it was off to the side and hanging low. Wanted to lift it up. So I made this bracket, go two different directions. I have a third brake light that I was going to put right in the middle so I can mount it like this or mount it like this. I think I'm going to go this route and skip the third brake light. So I'm going to go ahead and grind some lines there, square it up. I have a brace that I'm going to put on the bottom here over to the other one to help support that hitch, and then later on I'll put another hitch probably somewhere around in here. So that's the plan. Let's go ahead and get to grinding. About putting a trailer hitch in the back here, it's not just for the license plate, okay? I can actually put another storage rack back there for this, that, and other thing, whatever I can't fit on the trailer. Look at that. So it adds another 2 feet to your trailer, or 20 inches or so, just in storage. Obviously you can't put, well, you might be able to put a dirt bike on here. And this is kind of what I was talking about before. Get a lot of this, okay? I'm actually going to weld on another one here, another one here with outriggers to support those two. So anyways, there it is.